Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Total War 3 Kingdoms game. Not launching, not opening, won't start, unable to open error on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to check system requirements of the game. So for that, go to Epic Games and search for the game. After that, go below. And here you will find the system requirements to play the game. Make sure your PC have all the minimum and recommended requirements. And after that, try to launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon over here. Now click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, now check if you can play the game. If not, next method is to add launch arguments. So for that, go to Epic Games, under library section, select your game. Now select the game, click on the three dot icon, then click on manage. Then go below in the launch option, you have to enable it and have to type -DX11 and then launch the game and check if this resolves the issue. If not, again come back, type -DX12 and then try to play the game and see if it's working. If this also doesn't resolve, come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, again go to Epic Games, under library section, select your game, click on three dot icon, click on manage, and here you have to click on verify option. Simply click on it and wait for some time unless the verification is done, and once the game files are verified, now relaunch the game and check whether it's working now. If not, next method is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search over here. Now search for device manager. Now expand display adapters, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once your graphics drivers are updated, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to the file explorer. Now go to the Epic Games folder, select the game application over here, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on compatibility and here you have to select run this program as an administrator, hit on apply and OK and then launch the game and check. If not, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode 4, select Windows 8 or previous version Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and launch the game. If the issue still occurs, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and then try to play the game and see if this resolves the issue. If the issue still occurs, then come back, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and then move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings and here you have to add or check if your game is listed or not. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse. Now go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding it, select the game, make sure both public and private boxes are ticked, then click on OK and finally launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next method is to stop overclock CPU and GPU settings. So overclocking makes the CPU or GPU unstable. So you are suggested to check if there is any overclocking of CPU or GPU in the background. This will help you to fix the issue. Next is to check graphic settings of the game. So if you are able to launch the game and still the game is crashing, then you are suggested to check the graphic settings, because most of the time graphic settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, and that it directly impacts the game. So you are suggested to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphic settings to avoid the unwanted issue. Next solution is to close unnecessary background tasks. So for that, go to the Windows search, search for task manager. Now under processes tab, here you have to search for those apps which are of no use but still running in the background. You simply have to select them, right click on it and click on end tasks. This will close the app completely from your PC. After that, try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next method is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and after that, try to launch the game and check. If not, next is to run the game as dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search, search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add desktop app. Now go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Once the game is added, click on the arrow icon and under GPU preference you have to select high performance, and after that, now try to launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to disable antivirus program. So if you are having any antivirus program installed on your system, then it can interrupt in your gameplay and can lead to such kind of issue. Somewhere the antivirus program blocks the game and you cannot play. So it's suggested to check the settings of that particular program, or it's better to disable the antivirus program before you launch the game and then try to play it and check if it's working. If not, next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already given this link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in a browser, or even you can search for Visual C++ files on Google. Now once the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download Visual C++ files. Once the file is downloaded, open it and you will get repair or install option. Now click on repair option and wait for some time unless you get setup successful message. After this, close this and now restart your PC once. After your PC restarts, log into the game and check if you can play it. If not, next method is to increase virtual memory. For that, go to the Windows search for View Advanced System Settings. Now click on Settings, then click on Advanced, click on Change. Here you have to select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, click on Custom Size. Now in the initial size you have to type 12288 and in the maximum size you have to type 24576 and then click on Set and then click on OK. Once you've done this, now relaunch the game and check whether you can play it. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall the game. For that, go to Epic Games. Under Library section, select your game, click on the 3-dot icon and click on Uninstall and finally click on Uninstall option. So this will completely delete the game from your system. After that, restart your PC once. Once your PC restarts, again launch Epic Games and then reinstall Total War 3 Kingdoms game once again and click on the play button to check whether you can play it or not.